बलूचिस्तान के शहर तुर्बत के म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के मेयर बलक शेर काजी ने 25 मार्च 2025 को स्ट्रासबर्ग में मुनक़दा यूरोपीय कांग्रेस के 48वें आलमी फोरम में एशिया पैसिफिक लोकल गवर्नेंस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत की और खुसूसी खिताब किया। मेयर तुर्बत बलक शेर काजी पूरे एशिया की नुमाइंदगी कर रहे थे। तुर्बत समेत बलूचिस्तान के लिए एजाज की बात है। उन्होंने आलमी मंदोबीन को बताया कि तुर्बत जो रकबे के लिहाज से एक छोटा शहर है, लेकिन ये शहर मकामी जमहूरियत, नौजवान क़यादत और पायदार तरक्की के लिए एक मिसाली शहर बन चुका है। उन्होंने सेशन से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि
Honorable Mayors, distinguished representative, ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to stand before you today and share the perspective of Turbat, a city that embodies both the challenges and the potential of local democracy in Pakistan and the wider Asia-Pacific region. As the elected mayor of Turbat, I represent a city that, despite its size, has a deep commitment to democratic governance, youth engagement, and sustainable urban development. Local democracy is the backbone of effective governance. It is at the city level where policies are implemented, where people's voices are heard most clearly, and where solutions to global challenges take root. However, for many cities, especially in the global south, the path to strengthening local democracy is filled with structural, financial, and administrative hurdles. In Turbat, we have seen firsthand how decentralization can empower local governments to deliver better services, foster civic engagement, and drive economic development. Our city has the highest literacy rate in our province and is ranked among the top 10 in the country, thanks to our investments in education and youth empowerment. More than 70% of my council consists on young people. This is not just a static, but a reflection of our belief in a future shaped by the next generation. Yet, local democracy cannot thrive without adequate resources, institutional support. One of our major challenges is the lack of fiscal autonomy, which limits our ability to plan and implement long-term projects. Without the ability to generate and manage our own revenue, our potential for growth remains restricted. Moreover, cities like Turbat need stronger regional and international collaboration to exchange best practices, share resources, and advocate for greater recognition of local governments in national and international decision making. Climate resilience is another urgent concern. As a mayor, we must ensure that our cities are prepared to tackle climate-related challenges such as extreme weather, water scarcity, and rising temperature. In Turbat, we are committed to leading climate adaptation programs, but without access to technical expertise and financial support, sustainable solutions remains difficult to implement. Today's discussion is a testament to the fact that whether we govern a global capital like Paris, a regional hub like Lusaka, or a growing city like Turbat, we share common aspirations, strong local governance, greater autonomy, and a more sustainable and inclusive future. This is why international frameworks such as the European Charter of Local Self-Government offer valuable lessons. The principles of decentralization, financial independence, and legal protection for local governments are essential for fostering democratic stability. While the political structures in Pakistan differ from Europe, the core values of local democracy, autonomy, accountability, and citizen participation are universal. Before I conclude, I want to take this huge opportunity to make a direct request to all the esteemed delegates here today. Turbat needs your support. We seek partnerships to provide scholarship for our students in European universities, giving them access to quality education and opportunities for global engagement, training program for our engineers and doctors, enabling them to enhance their skills and return to Turbat better equipped to serve and develop our city. Capacity building initiative for our council member, strengthening governance and ensuring that our local institutions are prepared to meet future challenges. Investing in education and skills development is the key transforming cities like Turbat into engines of progress. While your collaboration, with your collaboration, we can empower our youth, strengthen our institutions, and build a resilient and thriving future. Let us use this platform to build partnership, exchange ideas, and advocate for the central roles of cities in shaping our world. The future of governance is local, and it's up to us to ensure that our cities are equipped with the tools, resources, authority to serve our people effectively. Thank you.